like that particular owl.
Oliver here is our Verreaux eagle owl, also sometimes referred to as a milky eagle owl or great eagle owl.
The World Center for Birds of Prey hosts Superb Owl with live demonstrations.
If they can catch it, they will eat it.
Oliver's handler, Rachel Daniel, has done raptor education for around a decade all over the country, but she calls this her dream job because of all she gets to do at the World Center for Birds of Prey.
I get to come out and do programs, I get to do training with the birds, be their primary caretakers behind the scenes, just all of the best stuff that I love to do.
They were going to have Oliver pick a winner of the Super Bowl, but Oliver had other plans as people enjoyed watching Oliver explore around the Open Sky Theater.
When we're watching him walk up the roof, I was pretty sure he was going to keep going. Weren't you?
I didn't know what he was
It looked
doing.
like he was going to fly off, but she had him really well trained.
Superb Owl featured 3 different presentations with 3 different owls. It's just another way the World Center for Birds of Prey encourages conservation by getting people to care about raptors.
There's nothing like the moment where you bring out a bird on the glove or right out of the crate and people go, wow, like that's the moment that we all kind of live for, and it's what causes changes in behaviors that leading ultimately to more conservation of birds of prey in all of our natural places all around the world.
Any trip to the World Center for Birds of Prey is a good day, but they do have some more events coming up. Next Saturday, they will feature Talentine's Day, and then on the Saturday before Easter, it's Eggstravaganza. I'm your Idaho Backroads neighborhood reporter Steve Dent for Idaho News 6.